Dr. Odonga Genki Olanya Gilbert Utio Chwalo Gen Malemon chilling warning but Jo Matika handling local Mega FM Kun Giwadani Mega FM Beru Pa Julie.
1, 2, 3, begin.
I greet you all, my fellow brothers and sisters from Acoli. For the last 1 week, we had a very serious engagement as far as Radio Mega is concerned. We have been following on social media what is going on. We would like to put it categorically clear that tomorrow, Monday, we had planned for a very serious and massive demonstration by the Acoli community. But we had the information that there is high-level engagement going on, whereby on Tuesday, some people are meeting to resolve the issue of Mega. We would like to state it categorically clear that the meeting that shall be held on Tuesday must not tamper with the Acoli radio. Mega is a community radio donated to the community of Acoli. No one should tamper and play with it. Finally, aware that UPC or government does not inject even a single cent to help running Radio Mega. Radio Mega generates its money locally from here. Therefore, no one should come and blindfold the Acoli community and temper and disorganize our radio. Radio Mega is for Acoli. Full stop.
Ludira Rio ni Nikono Ukati Kamaleng Kawachani Ono Mergini Ket demonstration Ento Gendong Peker demonstration Complain Mamegi Tieni Mega FM Uberu Pachuli Ento Pe Pagamente Dong la pen we bina wing dano Ni kachi dong make Pachuli Chi prophet Anga Gematika enjoying Mierwi wakupo ni Inenda bichiel Me dwe mabungwen Mwali Mario Beach New Vision posting their official website. He post my title to government to refund Mega FM shillings 20 million debt. Magonye ni government bidwa ko chiane pa Mega FM million PRA or million ko leba chuli pe no thing manu biru den a Mega FM manu according to post enoni James Nsabo Butoro has said the ministry is preparing to return shilling 20 million borrowed from the Gulu-based Mega FM. Noni, in that same post also, which Yaranyim Chiu clarifying ni Mega FM Uberu property Pagamente kun Giwajani Mega FM is a community-based radio station owned by the government through Directorate of Information and Broadcasting in the office of the President. Win Gilbert Dongato Makun and Wajapingo Gien Gi Naidu Nyoni Gi Counseling GM Manu Mirko Chakam Liet P Anuana Matigati Me in Mega FM.
Full stop. So we are calling off tomorrow's demonstration. It would have been very massive. When you see Honorable Otto and Olanya, you know what they're up to. We are calling it off. But the most important point is Mega FM is a community radio station. We are not going to accept to see some people. The radio started in 2002. I was already a member of parliament. And then we are now seeing some individuals in 2024 saying it is a government radio. What were you doing all this time? Even in law, we say there was condonation. So much as there is mismanagement in Mega FM, we will sort out that. But we are not going to accept the child to be thrown together with the feces into the river. Mega FM is our local radio. If the government wants to a radio in Bull, let them go to Rupi. It belongs to government, it is a branch of New Vision. But Mega FM is a community radio. So let's have come All the security agencies that you have been trailing us since morning, go and do other things. Go and watch a football game. We have called off the demonstration.
We are watching the situation.
Yeah, closely.
We are following.
We are monitoring closely.
Thank you.
Odonga to wayani gien gi counseling Germany piani umiere kongimi kare it jo matika temu handling loki mitia kone kun gien gi bere wota ngine kuoro mapochwal maboko Odonga to biuchwal duone iloko mega kunan wayni kech kipayo madit udiro tich pa Mega FM makun noni manager makluni Tech Iron Jovia ma Romulu ni former manager ma pengene kailu ni former manager onyo manager mena ma mera pen ki tungchel side ma tiga wajini ene futi manager tie ki side ma tiga wajini endong pay manager bera tie kun ki Odonga wayni eno wew tich pa Mega FM tiga lemu chan salar ki pay ka chulo kun ate memi chiar ka withdraw chilling ki bang mi chulo lu Mega tich Mega bank kware wo ndong en petit signatory to the bank man kimapol fubi bino e actually pro Evo TV again ni bibertie kano ngoneo kar ke kar